Supreme Court nominee Neil Gorsuch says he keeps an open mind when issuing rulings, and he bats away Democrats' efforts to get him to reveal his views on abortion, guns, and other controversial issues. Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi is in our skybox above the hearing room where Judge Gorsuch has been fielding questions all day. Jason?
Why, Judge Gorsuch says when President Trump interviewed him for this job, he didn't ask him if he would overturn the Roe v. Wade decision, that landmark abortion legalizing decision. The judge says if that would have happened, he would have walked right out the door. But tonight, continuing that probe, are the Democrats behind me. Neil Gorsuch, facing a long day of questioning, insists he's a fair and neutral judge.
My personal views, I'd also tell you, Mr. Chairman, belong over here. I leave those at home.
But Democrats aren't ready to give Gorsuch a rubber stamp.
Do you view Roe as having super precedent?
It has been reaffirmed many times. I can say that.
Gorsuch hasn't ruled in a case involving abortion, but in a book he wrote about assisted suicide, he says the intentional taking of human life is always wrong. Today, the judge was questioned about his ruling in favor of Hobby Lobby and the Little Sisters of the Poor in their fight against the Obama administration's contraceptive mandate.
Every judge who faced that case, everyone, found it a hard case and did their level best. And that's all any judge can promise or guarantee.
Gorsuch wouldn't weigh in on President Trump's immigration ban, but he did clearly endorse religious freedom.
I will apply the law faithfully and fearlessly and without regard to persons.
How about
I don't care.
Regard to religion?
Anyone, any law, is going to get a fair and square deal with me.
All day, Gorsuch has been unwilling to give his opinion on cases. He says he'll follow the facts of the case. He says he also doesn't want to prejudge any cases that may come before him. Wyatt?
Jason, what are the chances he'll be confirmed as a Supreme Court justice?
Well, all of the Republicans in the Senate are united in supporting Gorsuch, but they're going to need 8 Democrats to get Gorsuch confirmed as a Supreme Court justice. The final vote, the full vote in the Senate, is scheduled before their Easter break, which is April 7th.
Correspondent Jason Calvi reporting from Capitol Hill. Thanks, Jason.